So, you know that saying, caught between a rock and a hard place? It's like when you're stuck in a really tough situation and you don't know what to do. It's like being stuck between two really hard choices. For example, let's say you have to choose between going to a party with your friends or studying for a big test. You're caught between a rock and a hard place because you want to have fun with your friends, but you also know you need to do well on the test. People use this saying a lot when they feel stuck and don't know what to do. It's like saying you're in a really tough spot and you have to make a decision, even if both choices are really hard. The origin of this saying comes from miners who were stuck between two rocks in a mine shaft. They had to make a tough decision on which way to go, just like we do when we're caught between a rock and a hard place.